Here's something most people don't realize. A huge portion of the world's yoga mats are made in China. Not in India, not in the US, but in factories like this. Today, I'm going to show you how a yoga mat goes from raw materials to a finished product. This is Shengde, a company specialized in manufacturing yoga products, located in Fuqing, a coastal city in southeastern China. The name combines two old Chinese sayings. Small wins come from wisdom, big wins come from character. Most people outside China have never heard of Shengde or Fuqing, but places like this are where global products actually begin. Founded in 1995, Shengde has been making yoga mats for over 30 years. Millions of them every single year. And over time, it has quietly become part of the supply chain behind many well-known brands in this category. Let's go inside. Every mat starts with raw material. One of the most common ones is TBE, a flexible, recyclable material that doesn't rely on PVC. This is no strange smell. Some are made from rubber, which may be sourced from other rubber-producing regions in Asia. The material isn't just sourced, it's formulated here. Different blends for different performance. This is where things really change. Solid materials goes through heat and pressure and comes out as soft foam. The thickness, the density, the way it responds under your body, all of that is shaped right here. This stage plays a huge role in how a yoga mat actually feels. After cooling, the foam is cut into shape. Then comes the surface texture. Instead of printing it on, the grip pattern is pressed directly into the material, which helps it last longer. Before anything leaves the factory, every mat is checked. Thickness, surface, edges is a simple process, but it's repeated over and over again, because consistency is everything in manufacturing. But what really makes this factory interesting isn't just production, it's how it connects to global brands. They support both OEM and ODM, from material selection to design adjustments to packaging and branding. And once product is done, everything can move directly into their own cloud warehouse system. Bulk shipments or even single order fulfillment are handled from the same place. For many growing brands, this kind of setup makes scaling much easier. So what actually makes a good yoga mat? It usually comes down to how it feels, how it grips, and how it holds up over time. Here are a few examples. Some mats are designed for impact, softer, more cushioning, better for high-intensity workouts.
We have designed a shock-absorbing and slow rebound yoga mat. Its biggest advantage is that it bounces back slowly when you press it and after pressing. It will absorb some of the impact from your workout. It is more suitable for high-intensity dynamic sports, such as dancing and exercise.
Others focus on grip, especially when your hands get sweaty. They are all-round mats that balance comfort and support. Great for beginners. And then you have specialty materials like suede, which grips better with moisture, or cork, which has a more nature feel and appeals to eco-conscious users. Even foldable mats designed for travel, different materials, different experiences. Most of these mats are shipped overseas to Europe, North America, and beyond. They are branded, packaged, and sold all over the world, often without people ever knowing where they came from. A yoga mat may look simple, but behind it is a system. Materials, manufacturing, logistics, and years of accumulated experience. That's what allows it to be produced at scale, consistently and reliably. So this is the whole process of producing a yoga mat. Before I go, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm the supervisory chairman of the Fujian Electronic Commerce Promotion Association, a government-backed non-profit organization that helps connect global brands with reliable manufacturers in China. If you are looking to source products or want to see more factories like this, feel free to follow me. This is just one factory, but it represents something bigger. How products are really made in today's global supply chain. This is inside China's supply chain. See you in the next one.